Let me show you how to use Camera Pro mode on Realme GT7 Pro. So first of all, we need to open our camera. Then in the More, we can find the Pro. And there's a bunch of different settings that we can customize here. Let's move from right to the left. So here we can change the white balance of our photos. Then we can change the focus. I prefer to set it to automatic, but in some cases it might be pretty cool to use it manually. Then we can change the EV evaluation of our photos on how much light can be caught in the photo. There's the shutter speed, and this, if you change it, will change on how long it will take to capture a photo. And you can go from 1.8 thousand a second to all the way to the 30 seconds photo. And what it does is when you click on the shutter, it will collect as much light as possible during that specific time when the shutter is open to basically make your photos brighter. And make sure to keep your phone stable as possible when you use something above like 1 and 200 of a second. Then we can also adjust the ISO, which changes the brightness of our photos. And finally, the last thing is the photo format that we can change to JPG, RAW or RAW+. And that is everything that you can customize here in the Pro mode.